Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make this glitchy glow effect easy and fast. Duplicate the video, then freeze the first frame. Move bottom video a few frames forward and cut the duplicated layer. So the shot goes steady and then it starts moving. We need to isolate the car. I will grab the pen tool and make a perfect selection. Start adding first effect, find edges. Select invert. Add second effect glow. Play around with settings and make it look as you will enjoy it more. Make sure glow based on is set to color channels. You can copy my glow settings or adjust by your wish. The glow is ready. Time to add some shake effects. Simply apply a plugin called Twitch. I will leave a free download link in description. Set amount to 0 and speed to 70 and create a keyframe for amount. Go to Enable and select Light and Slide. Go a few frames forward and set the amount to 40. Go near to the end of the video and create a keyframe for amount 40. Go to the very end of the video and set the amount to 0. Glow and shake effect is ready. Now let's make the background reveal effect. Duplicate the layer, then go to bottom one layer, press M and remove the mask. We will create a new mask for the background. Select a pen tool and create a mask. Mine will look like this. Rename the layers. For car layer, name car only, and for background layer, name a background. Select the background layer and make some changes for glow effect. Change the colors. Cool. I'm happy with it. Now let's create a background reveal effect. Simply create a keyframes on the mask. Nice. Let's add some more changes to the background. Open a twirl effect and play around with the setting. You can copy mine. I'm happy with my edits. For more smooth mask reveal, you can simply select both mask keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard. Nice, time to make a speed ramp on our main video, like from intro. Select your video, go to time and enable time remapping. Make a smooth speed ramp. If you don't know how to make a smooth speed ramps, simply follow my steps or check out my other tutorials on how to make a speed ramps. Duplicate the layer and reverse it. Done. Now move Glitchy glow effect to the end of the main video, so the transition starts right after the speed ramp. For better results, make a few adjustments to the background. So first reveals the background to the original video, then the glitchy glow effect of the car. Move the background layer a few frames backward over the original video. And adjust the glow effect on the only car layer so the transition ends in sync with the background layer. Hope this video was helpful. Please like the video.